Welcome to Amari Educates, where mathematics is made easy. In this video, we're going to discuss about sets, particularly an introductory part. But before that, please subscribe and share this video. Take a look at the following words inside this rectangular box. Can you group them? Okay? Now, I'll give you time to think about this. Okay? Now, did you group them like this? Okay, now if you group them like this, what description can you give on this? We could say set of fruits. This one, countries in Asia. This one, days in a week. Now, let's start with the definition of set. A set is a collection of a well-defined objects or groups or group of symbols. It's stated there it should be well-defined. Let us see if you understood the meaning of well-defined by this simple exercise. Which of the following are well-defined set? Is it A, the set of municipalities in Metro Manila? The set of amazing books? The set of prime numbers from 2 to 20, the set of young people working in the Philippines, or the set of odd integers. For the first one, the set of municipalities in Metro Manila, if you think it is well defined, then you are correct. It is very specific that we wanted only those municipalities in Metro Manila. Next, the set of amazing books. What do you think is this? Is it well defined? If your answer is no, then you are correct. It is not well defined. How did we know that it is not well defined? Take a look at the word amazing. There are some people who thinks of a certain book as amazing, and there are some people who find it not amazing. So, amazing makes it not well defined. What about the third one? The set of prime numbers from 2 to 20. Okay? Your answer should be it's well defined because it is stated that the thing that you're going to consider are only numbers from 2 to 20 that are primes. Okay, what about the fourth one? The set of young people working in the Philippines. Is it well defined? The answer is no. What makes it not well defined? Because of the word young. We don't know what age are we considering. Are we considering 18 to 25 years old? Or 21 to 30 years old? And so on. So this is not a well defined. And the last one, the set of odd integers, is well defined. Okay? Now, remember the following concerning set. The set uses capital letters for its name, while this symbol is used to indicate an element. The symbol curly bracket is used to enclose elements, or braces. They call it sometimes braces. And this symbol is used to indicate a null, or it is an empty set. Sometimes they also use this to indicate an empty set. In this one, we have here the name of the set is A, and the elements inside the curly bracket or the braces are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now, let us determine which of the following is true about this. Is 8 an element of A? Is 3 an element of A? Is 5 not an element of A? So obviously 8 is an element of A because you can find it on the list. So the first one is true. Well, the second one, if we check 3, if it is an element of A, there's no 3 here. Therefore, we cannot say that it is not an element of A. So it is false. And 5 is not an element of A. That when you check here, it is not an element of A. So therefore, it is also true. Okay? Now, regarding set, we have different ways of writing the elements or expressing the elements of a certain set. We call them roster method or listing down the elements and the set builder form. Let's have the definition of roster method. It is simply elements that are listed down inside the braces. While the set builder form describes the set by stating or indicating the properties of its elements. Let's have this following example. Set A is a set of integers from 1 to 5. So integers that are from 1 to 5. In the roster method, we could say that set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We list down all the integers from 1 to 5. While in set builder notation, we could say that n such that n is an integer from 1 to 5. The second one. Set A is a set of days in a week. So in the roster method, we just list down all the days in a week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. While in the set builder, we just say that A is equal to n such that n is a day in a week. Okay? Now, the next one is determining whether two elements are equivalent or equal. When we say equivalent sets, when two sets have exactly the same number of elements. Well, when we talk about equal set, two sets are exactly the same elements. Let's have some examples. Determine if the pair of sets are equivalent, equal, or both. Are these two sets equivalent or equal? Let's see first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements inside. On set B, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. There are also 5 elements inside. Therefore, we could say that they are equivalent sets. However, if we check the elements inside, they are not the same, so we are not going to consider this as an equal set. The answer? They are equivalent sets, but not equal sets. Next. Determine if the pairs of sets are equivalent, equal, or both. Let's have the given. Set A, such that n, is the set of prime numbers from 1 to 10. While the elements of set B, we have 2, 3, 5, and 7. They are both equivalent and equal set because the prime numbers between 1 to 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay? Now we will check if you understood the lesson. All we need to do is to answer the following questions. Which of the following is a well-defined set? Is it a set of fast-running animals? A set of all incredible inventions? A set of provinces in the Philippines? Let's start the time. And the answer is C, the set of provinces in the Philippines. Let's have number 2. Which of the following is true given that A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 11? A, 7 is an element of A and 9 is not an element of A. B, there are 6 elements in set A. C, both A and B are true. And D, both A and B are false. And the answer is A. Next. Which of the following is equivalent in equal sets? Is it A? Is it B? Or is it C? Go. Answer is both A and B. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Remember, it is cool being wise. Thank you.